If you suffer from ear infections, ear aches, ear wax, fluid in your ear, swimmer's ear, and even tinnitus, today I'm going to share with you the most important and powerful ear wellness tool that you need to have in your wellness arsenal in your own home. I'm so excited to share with you this amazing video. Let's go. This tool right here is a digital otoscope. And this little wand is a camera that is attached to a digital screen that you can take pictures of what you see in your ear. This is a powerful, powerful resource that you can turn on and look into your ear anytime that you feel you have earwax, your ears are clogged, plugged, you're dealing with fluid. Maybe you wonder if you or maybe a family member, like your child, might have an ear infection. A digital otoscope is exactly what you need in your arsenal. This is a camera and you can visualize what's going on in your ear. It is so powerful to actually know. I always preach to you and my patients and everybody who follows me on my assorted social content. You want to identify, you want to test or identify and not guess. So many of my patients think that they have fluid in their ear. It turns out they've got an ear infection. I have other patients that feel like they've got earwax in their ear. And when we look through the digital otoscope, guess what? They don't have earwax, they've got fluid in the back of their ear. So identifying what the problem is honestly step one. And then guess what? You can take action. And I have a whole entire playlist here of how to unclog, unpop, get rid of wax, heal tinnitus. I have a whole plethora of ear healing content that you can deploy. But more importantly, it also helps you assess and benchmark where your ear health is. I'm going to share with you some snapshots here of what ears that are clear and ears that are clogged with fluid in the middle ear behind the eardrum, what it looks like. I'm also going to share with you some images here of what it looks like if you have a swimmer's ear, an ear infection. Knowing the type of infection you're looking at through a digital otoscope is going to be helpful in what type of DIY ear solution remedy you want to deploy. If it's wax we're dealing with, then you might want to be looking at a hydrogen peroxide. If we're dealing with yeast and maybe outer ear pus from swimmer's ear, well then we would reach for apple cider vinegar. So this otoscope is a powerful and inexpensive resource that gives you quantifiable data about what's going on in your ear so you're not guessing and you're actually more targeted with your therapeutic approach. I'll include a link down below for this specific otoscope. One of the reasons why I love this is it actually has a SIM card. So it has the capacity for you to take pictures and to then grab them and send them to your clinicians and your doctors. One of the things that's been really helpful through the pandemic has been the use of digital assessment tools like a digital otoscope and helping us clinicians understand what's going on in your ear so we can actually diagnose through images and through either a video or pictures that you take with your otoscope. Powerful resource, inexpensive, and it helps you identify and not guess what's going on in your ears. So my question of the day, friends, are you going to be investing in a digital otoscope to check out and see what's going on in your ears? So I'm curious, let me know how you intend on using it and if this is something you've never heard of. I always love sharing with you great ways that we can use technology to support and enhance our wellness, and this digital otoscope is totally one of those resources. And if you're dealing with a lot of ear health issues, I'll include my whole entire ear health playlist that you can peruse and binge out on and just really educate yourself on a lot of DIY resources that are inexpensive and extremely powerful. I'm going to share with you my ultimate ear health masterclass. There'll be a link for this masterclass in the description box below. I hope you invest in your ear health. Tons of tips. I think you're going to really find that extremely helpful. So I hope you check those out and I'll see you on our next video.